Hey everyone, this is Dan Blackwell. I wanted to provide a market update. Today is November 12th, 2020, and wanted to shoot more or less a year in review for the apartment market in Orange County. We surveyed all the apartment transactions that took place this year from 5 units to 100 units. And this year we saw a total of 84 apartment transactions that have taken place year to date. Over the prior period in 2019, there were a total of 114 transactions that took place. So we've seen an approximate 28% dip in sales activity. Also, we've seen so far this year a 50% reduction in dollar volumes drop. So what that's suggesting is the larger transactions are not trading, and it's more or less the smaller transactions that are making up most of the marketplace. And that leads me to my next point. The most active space within the apartment market is your $1.5 to $5 million type properties. This has most of the volume that takes place within the market year over year. We've seen an average of 50% of the overall trade activity take place within this space. So if you're a buyer in the marketplace, this is where you're going to see the most opportunities. And if you're a seller in this space, this is where you're going to see most of the buyers engage and transact. So those are some things to know. And then also, as far as what's been most notable within 2020 Orange County apartments is that rental collections have been 90+% month over month thus far since COVID hit. And we've had about 9 months now of good rent collection history. And hey, back in March, April, we didn't know what we were going to have. We didn't know what kind of market we were going to, see. So a lot of uncertainty there. And overall, it's been really, really good news. And then because we've had good collections, we've got lenders in the marketplace, rates are at all-time lows. That is another great thing that's taking place within the marketplace. So overall, sales activity's down, but pricing's more or less held. Sales are taking place within about 95% of the list to close ratios are about 95%. So we're not too far off than we were last year. It's just if your rents aren't pretty close to market, you might not be getting that peak pricing. But I could say on behalf of myself and the entire team, it's been great to be here for investors when investors have needed us the most. And thanks for watching the video. We'll see you on the next one.